Hello guys, this is the fourth experiment for Web Technology Lab. Today we are going to make a website using JavaScript and HTML and CSS concepts. This is how the website is supposed to look. Um, it should have a progress bar on refreshing. We have a progress bar and we have a family section which provides this information, and we have a table. So let's go to the code and see how we make it. Here we have made a basic HTML code. This is the basic HTML body, and inside the body we have a list for the navigation bar. After that I have created a canvas under which I have given the JavaScript for making the progress bar. These are some basic JavaScript concepts which are being used over here. Here I have made a function so that I can show the progress bar as an animation. This function fill text is the function which renders the animation in the web page, so that if I refresh I can see the progress bar moving. Let's go to the next section. Now I have also created a family section wherein I say something about me and my parents. So this is here my family section is there. I have created a father tag, father inside the paragraph tag. Written father inside the paragraph tag, and I have kept it inside the pre tag so that the format doesn't. I could easily place the text where I want to. I have also the CSS file for the HTML is given over here. Here I have given the background image as the main.jpg file, which is the star background, as we can see, and this is the CSS script for the navigation bar, and these are the CSS scripts for the paragraphs that are the names. This is that is for Ahidhar, Zatari, and these progress bars, and the for the ordered list, that is the navigation bar. This is the CSS file, and on hover, this is the hover file. On hovering, the background color changes to orange and the color changes to white or antique white. Then also I have created the CSS files for images. This is for the animation, this animation in the web page, wherein if I move the cursor over the text, the opacity increases. Now for and this is the CSS script for the father text, which is written over the picture. Whenever I move my cursor over the father text, it disappears and my picture is more visible. This is the hover property for this division, so that whenever I move my cursor on the text, the picture is visible and the text is invisible. So now let's go to the table. Here I have created the table and I have kept the width as 70%, and here I have merged two columns using callspan command, and now here I have given the class name as item name because it is easier to make the CSS script using this one. And I have given all the entries in all the TD inside all the TD tags. And now let's go to the CSS file. In the CSS file, this is the CSS coding I have used for the table. Here I have given the padding and the margin positions. I have kept the position as absolute so that it is more easy to move the table around the web page. And I have kept the background color as violet and the border as solid black. Also I have used the following HTML code, the CSS script for the entries inside the table. This CSS script is for the rows inside the table, And now for every nth child odd, that is for every odd position, the color is violet. As we can see over here, the color is violet for 1, 3 and 5, and similarly for every even child the color is green. On hovering, I have created a function, created a CSS script so that while hovering on the name of the food, the image relevant to the food is also visible. As we can see over here, I implemented this using the CSS script over here. Item.img is the class name for all for all the images of the food items I have kept inside the table. And this is how I incorporated the visibility animation. Item name is the name of the uh, is the entry of the data this data. As we can see in the table over here, this item name is the class for the entries. Now item name colon hover plus item img opacity gives 1. This will render the animation wherein while I hover the cursor over the item name, the image relevant to it is visible. So this is how I created the animation, and this is pretty much it about the website, about the web page. The JavaScript for this one is created using simple and basic JavaScript functions.